In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a workspace on Slack from your desktop or web app. Whether you're switching teams, moving on to new projects, or just tidying up your Slack sidebar, leaving a workspace is a straightforward process that you can complete in just a few steps. I'll guide you through it and provide some helpful context along the way, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open Slack on your desktop or through your web browser. Once you're in, take a look at your Slack sidebar. You'll see the name of your current workspace displayed prominently. Click on that workspace name to open up the Workspace menu. This menu might contain various options, but what we're looking for is something that says Join or Leave Workspaces, or something similar. Once you've found the Join or Leave Workspaces option, click on it, and a new screen will appear, showing all the workspaces that you're currently a member of. From here, you can manage your workspace membership easily. Browse the list and find the workspace you want to leave. Select it by clicking on its name, which should highlight the workspace or open additional options. Now that you've selected the workspace you wish to exit, look for the Leave this workspace option. This should be clearly marked. Clicking this will initiate the process of leaving the workspace. Slack will remove you from the workspace, and the icon that represented it will vanish from your sidebar, simplifying your Slack interface by reducing clutter. It's an efficient way to keep things organized, especially if you have many workspaces. However, if you find that leaving the workspace isn't exactly what you want, perhaps you're just looking to temporarily log out of Slack while planning on returning later, you can simply sign out without leaving. To do this, click on your workspace name again, which will reveal personal settings and sign-out options. This approach allows you to maintain your membership and regain easy access later while still stepping away momentarily. To sum it up, leaving a workspace can declutter your Slack interface and help you focus on the workspaces that matter most to you. Whether you choose to leave or simply log out, these steps should help you effectively manage your Slack presence, ensuring you're always working as efficiently as possible. I hope this guide was helpful, and you now feel confident in managing your workspaces. Remember, keeping your Slack organized is key to staying productive and ensuring you can quickly pivot between different projects and teams when necessary. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy working.